so we have the Nelson-Rigg, and this is the CL1060R, TL1060R tail bag. And I'm going to open this up. Let me see if I can get this on a stand. I'm sorry, guys. Bear with me. We're gonna put this on a stand. There we go. So I'm gonna open this joker up. So I had the other bag, which I'm gonna send back because I liked it at first. Let me just take this and show you. I liked it. All right, so I like this bag at first, but then after a while it just gets all squishy, and it just doesn't hold its shape. I can't get it tight, and it moves around a lot no matter what I do, and I can't tighten these down because as I tighten them down, this is rubbing the paint, so I have to leave it kind of loose or else it just isn't going to work. So I'm hoping this one is better. The sides are definitely, there's something in there. See, listen. So sides are a little better. At least when I looked at all the pictures online, it looked like these were a little higher, but now that I see them, I'm not so sure they are. So this may not be what I want either, but we're gonna take a look. We got the inside of it. Oh, this is, oh, it gets taller. That's for it to get taller, so it can expand. So if you want to put a lot in there, it really expands a lot. That's pretty neat. Look at that. It's pretty cool. Yep, pretty neat. And then if I can figure out how to open the effing thing. Where the hell? Slid. I grabbed the same zipper twice. Kind of screwed me up. Then you got opens up. Little brochure and stuff. Got that. There's a little safety label, which we'll rip out later. It's got some straps in here, and they're Velcro. So if you want to put something in there, you can strap it down tall. You know, it's pretty neat. It's got it's really pretty neat. It's kind of hard in here. It's definitely better than the other one. There's no doubt. Has a place to put some pens or something. Got a rain cover. Got the rain cover, and then it's got some straps. And again, this one's made also. It's also made to be able to take off and walk with it. And it, you know, you could take it for a walk. It has a thing right here, and I think that is for like a carry bag kind of thing. Yeah, it's like a. I think that's so you can kind of satchel it or something. Maybe that's one side. That's one side. I'll figure this out. Take a look. Maybe it doesn't have a satchel type thing. I don't know what the hell this is about. I guess I could read the instructions. I think it's just a different kind of deal. Or you can zip it up, I suppose. Yeah, you can zip it up. Put that one on there. Yep. And take it with you. You got a nice little carry bag. So that's pretty neat. This thing tells you some other stuff. This is the commuter bag, commuter Lite. So cut this off and get that out of the way. Yeah. So I'm going to go ahead and put it on the bike real quick, and let's find out how we do it. First thing I gotta do is take off the current bag. Let me just back up over here. Okay. I gotta take off the current bag, and I have this kind of just this insane little thing I did right here to try to keep that from, like, this was good at first, and then it seemed to just get looser and looser. And maybe it's my imagination. Maybe I just got tired of trying to deal with it. that. This bag. Put that side. There we go. Now I need to take this. Take the strap off, and essentially this goes this way. This will go like that, so make sure we got it right before I strap it down incorrectly. All right. Okay, so double check that. I don't really know how the hell you're supposed to do this. Not really sure how this works, so we're gonna take your strap. Put one here, one across. So we're gonna take this one out. Really big straps. I have no idea how the hell you're supposed to do this. It needs to have a buckle on both sides, but it doesn't. But it needs to. And I can't get the buckle off. I'm trying to get this to come out. So I want to face these. I want to make sure these things are facing both facing the same way. Needs to be like that, so we're going to come through here, around the other side. And that is not what I wanted to do. So I need to go the other way. Through the top. Through the top. Alright, tight. So I pull those and they both. From there down. Yeah, just as tight, yeah. Okay, so that, and then we'll just take this, take the second one. We're gonna feed that through. That kind of helps handle the, I'm not above just making it permanent where it can't slide back and forth. So then take that from one side, we're going to crisscross them, because actually I'm going to do it this way. Can I do it this way? Crisscross them. I saw someone do that and I was like, that's a good idea. I should have done that before. Damn it, these things. I hate these straps. I wish somebody could just make this shit work for all kinds of vehicles. Why's it gotta suck? Alright, so that apparently I have to go the other way. Which kind of defeats the effing purpose of what I was trying to do. Tighten that down, and Okay, so put these in here, like that. Press this one over here like that. And pull that tight so there's not a lot. And then that'll hold it down, let's hold it pretty good. And that's only one, so when you get the other one on there, it'll be good. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other one, and I'll come back to you as soon as I get it done. So I got it kind of stitched up so it's secure. Now I need to take this off for a minute. Take the key out. Pop the back off. Back off. So these extra straps from that carrying thing. And then just pop it on. And if I want to take the bag, I just pop the bag, take the bag with me. The straps are in here. You know, you're not going to ride around with it like that. Come back, pop these back on. Pop the other side on. It's kind of hard because I tightened it up pretty good, which is a good thing. There you go. Got this nice little thing in here. This is pretty awesome, guys. I'm really digging this. So we got the carrying strap. I want to carry it with me. Put that in there. I'm gonna go ahead and put the well, I had the bag for it. Find it. So the bag's pretty nice. It's a pretty thick bag. The bag for the other one was not pretty thick. This is actually really nice, well made. No doubt about it. Just gonna hold on there. Really nice driving on the road. It's really pretty nice. It's even got a zipper. It's even got a zipper to get taller with the bag. Whereas the other one, on the other bag that I got from Amazon, let me position this a little bit better. It was just like big giant puffy thing, and it went on like a cover for the bike. It was just big, like no holding it on. This is actually pretty form-fitting, and it even expands. So it's got these little straps right here, so you can put the strap through, hold that on. So that's actually pretty nice, much better. And it has a drawstring tightener thing, so you can tighten it up. This is really good quality, really good quality. So fold that up, put this in the zippered area right here. Right, like I said, there's a little place there for some pens, I guess, if you want to keep some writing stuff with you. Put my gloves in there for now so I don't forget them. Got that. Much better. Let me take you off the thing and just let's get a good look at it. Much better. Look at that bag. 10 times better. Honest to God, it's just 10 times better than another bag. Like it actually looks like it belongs. It does. It seems like I'm never going to get away without some movement. It's just the nature of the beast, the way it goes on there. But that isn't bad. The other one was like really sloppy, and it's actually got a rubber pad. I didn't show you guys. It's got a rubber pad underneath of it, so it actually is pretty good. And let me try the sitting on it test. So I'm sitting on it, sitting on the bike. Yeah, on the other one, when you sat on it, that thing was always coming forward and you're hitting it. This is actually sitting all the way back against the butt pad. I can't feel it. So it's pretty nice. Again, it has that one strap with it. So if you do want to take a passenger, I feel like you could put a passenger on it. You could sling that bag over their neck, and it wouldn't bother them at all to be carrying that bag for you while you gave them a ride. So Really awesome. Much better look. My garage is the garage of death, if you don't know. But the piping is reflective. The strap is reflective. It's got this nice strap, and I think it looks pretty good. It doesn't look out of place on this bike. I think it definitely looks pretty good. Take some more pictures of it tomorrow in the Lite and see what you guys think. So this is the real test. Picked up a 6-pack of beer. It just happens to be canned. So I lift up the upper thing right there, and I'm able to. You can get beer home. That's all that matters. Looks pretty good. That's all that really matters. And that's it for the bike bag today. I'll leave the link to the Nelson-Rigg tail bag on the description in the thing, and I'll actually leave the link to the other bag I got on Amazon, which I was going to make a video about, and I made one, but I didn't. I don't know. I'm just not going to post it. But sorry, this video is a little weird. I've had this video for 4 months, or 3 or 4 months, and I just never put it out there. So I just decided I'd throw it out there for you guys, because I do love the bag. 4 months in, the bag is still fantastic. I am able to get a 6-pack of bottled beer in there as well. So it's always a good thing. I really enjoy the bag. If I'm going on like a weekend ride, I'm not commuting, I take it off and put the other cowl piece on the back. But I love the bag. It's fantastic. No complaints whatsoever about it. So anyway, guys, thanks for checking me out. Please hit like and subscribe down below. Please just leave any comments you got, any other things. I really would like to try out a tank bag someday. Looking at the GV or whatever it is, where it has a little lock thing on there. So I may do that. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you guys would like me to try out, test out, and maybe I'll do it. Hopefully in the future I'll have a pipe, maybe a exhaust pipe or something. Looking at a couple different ones, but I don't know. I do like the sound of the bike at high speed. Low speed, it's not so loud or whatever, but I am entertaining the thought. So let me know what you think. That's it. Stay tuned for next time, and until then, like always, peace out.